Okay, today we're gonna talk about the tectospinal tract. And okay, this is a descending pathway in the central nervous system. As you can see here, originates in the superior colliculus, right here, which is located in the tectum of the midbrain. And this tract crosses over to the opposite side of the brainstem and descends through the anterior funiculus of the spinal cord, ultimately terminating on neurons on the anterior horn of the spinal cord. Now, let me just use the pen here before I carry on with this lecture. Sorry, I have to remember of always test my pen before start the video. Okay, let me just do this one, and then I will start talking about the superior colliculus. Okay, here we have the superior colliculus. Superior colliculus. Which information we should get from this structure? This is part of the midbrain and will be important in visual processing and eye movements. And it also integrates visual information and coordinates motor response. We can include orienting the head and eyes towards visual stimulus. Clinically, when damaged, what will happen? What do you think that will happen with the superior colliculus? You can pause the video and answer. Just write in the comments. Okay. Now, when damaged affect the superior colliculus, this can result in impaired visual reflexes and difficulties with gaze control. Then we have here the techno is not right. It's tectospinal tract. Let me just finish this here. I didn't complete this one because, well, for this lecture is not necessary. Okay, so we have here the tectospinal tract. Tectospinal tract. And this tract is involved in coordinating postural adjustments and voluntary movements, especially those related to visual input. It will help as well to modulate muscle tone, and it will also contribute in the integration of sensory information for motor control. When this tract is damaged, what do you think that will happen? Just pause the video and write in the comments. Okay. Damage to this tract usually leads to deficits in posture regulation and coordination, especially when visual cues are involved. For example, patients may have difficulty maintaining balance or performing precise movements that require visual feedback. So this is the tectospinal tract. Now we have this spinotectal tract. Here. Spinotectal tract. Okay, and the spinal tactile tract is an ascending pathway that will carry sensory information from the spinal cord to the tectum, and it conveys proprioceptive and tactile inputs, which are essential for spatial awareness and motor planning. And clinically, disruption affecting the spinal tactile tract can lead to, pause the video and just write your answer. Okay, so disruption of the spinal tactile tract can impair the ability to process sensory information effectively, and this will lead to difficulties in spatial orientation and motor coordination. Okay, so spinal cord. And this is pretty much the spinal tactile the spinal tactile tract and the tactile spinal tract. Okay, this is pretty much the structure that I wanted to share with you today. And please, if you have any question, drop a message in the comments below. If you think that this video might be important for someone, just share this video as well. And yeah, feel free to drop a message and like if you liked this video. Take care, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.